Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As we are witnessing number of cases involving women, children, as well as elderly coming up in different districts of Punjab. So, special Lok Adalats is being set up by the Women Commission. So, today a special Lok Adalat is being set up over here in Ludhiana, and we are having with us Chairperson of Women Commission, Dr. Raj Lali Gill. So, welcome ma'am to The Sovera first of all.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ma'am, please first of all brief about the special Lok Adalat. What kind of response we have got here today?
See, these Lok Adalats are frequently, we are doing it in every district. It's a part of the commission's duties. I got messages from all over that we cannot reach up to the commission. The office is very far off. We have small children, we have responsibilities at home, so we cannot reach. So that is how we decide the district adalats over there. Right. Today we had about 47 walk-ins and we had about nearly 40 cases otherwise, which are registered with the commission. So in the walk-in, mainly it was domestic violence between husband and wife or the family members. So those cases were there, and there were minor cases also, like with the neighbor, fight with the neighbor, which are resolved there and then. Right. Because we have all the IOs with us, we have the Chowki in charges with us, so we resolve that problem. Then comes some time, like the cases are very serious. It's the nature of court cases. Then we refer it to the court only. Right. We cannot, because any court case, if some lady come to me, that I have a court from last 5 years, I'm running around in the court, but there's no justice. Nobody is listening to us. We cannot interfere in the commission has no power to do that. So those goes into the court cases. Then comes the property cases. We cannot interfere in the property cases also. That is referred, if there is a minor thing, like an old woman, she comes, or the old parents come, that the children have thrown us out of the house, but the property belongs to us. Those cases are referred to the SDMs or DCs. Right. So they handle that cases. Right. Yeah.
As you mentioned that many domestic cases they are coming up. So domestic cases were being reported earlier also. What change you have seen in the nature of these cases?
Nature, no, domestic violence definitely is there. But those that joint families were there. So they used to resolve these cases at home only. Right. If the two brothers are fighting or the two sisters are fighting. But nowadays it's a micro family. Micro family, and they cannot give time to each other. Right. So the domestic violence again takes place in that. Because the man is frustrated, they have come home after the work. Right. But the wife says, I need attention. So there is something like that. So I feel the micro families, the way we are increasing, this is the other difference in that. So from our side, we do the counseling, we do everything, and we tell them to spend time with the family, give time to the children, at least weekends spent together.
Is it because both the husband wife they are working nowadays, because as you said mentioned that the families have turned into micro families, so this is the reason, or there is impact of social media also as well?
Definitely social media also. Like wife sometimes says, no, he's got an affair outside, that is how he's not coming home in time. And he is not giving us the money to spend. I don't have the pocket money to do that. So when I asked, he said, no, I saw the messages on the WhatsApp, or he's been chatting on some apps like Snapchats and things like that. So she has the proofs of that. And the man says, no, there's nothing at all. I was just generally doing it. So this also, the media, these apps and all social thing, this also plays a great role. But otherwise, I think the lack of time, this frustration sets in. So we counsel them. We tell them to settle down. So then comes the elder people. This is, the children have taken all the property, all the money. Now they have thrown us out of the house, that we cannot look after you. So poor people, they go either to the old homes or they go to Gurdwaras or so many NGOs. Right. So those cases, we take it very seriously.
So these cases are also increasing
regarding
the elders?
Definitely increasing. See, whenever in the state, no matter which state it is, if your old homes are increasing in numbers, that means it's an issue. Right. Otherwise, old homes will never increase. Right. Because if the children are looking after their home, so these cases are increasing. And these cases, if it is a minor issues, we send them to DCs or SDMs to resolve these issues. If it is so serious that the children are adamant and they're not listening, so then these cases are referred also to reverse the property which they have taken from the parents, either by doing the forgery, or after they take it and they don't want to listen, then the case is reversed. Right. The property is reversed. Right. See? So we take it very seriously.
Right. What about the trend of live-in relations?
Yeah, this is really increasing day by day. It is increasing like, I handle these cases in my commission every day, at least 10 to 15 cases a day. So you can imagine the number of it.
Right. So in living relations, people, although they are adults, they have right, they can decide what is right for them. But after there is any conflict, there are allegations of rape or other.
See, it's like this. You don't like the living cases. Either it is a girl or a boy. Their parents, they would never advise to go in for especially for a girl. They will never advise you to go for a living relationship.
Right.
But they go with open mind that we are adults, we can take our own decisions. And we are responsible for this. Many parents have come that my daughter is not listening or my son is not listening. The answer they get is the same, that we are adult, we know what we are doing. But when something goes wrong, they come back either to the police or to the commission,
Right.
saying that this is what has gone wrong. But there is no law for that. Because you are adult, it's consensual.
Right.
So there is no law for that.
So today, among 77 to 80 cases which have turned up today, how many cases have been resolved?
See, if you take the walk-ins, I just said that it's about 47. I would say how of it just been resolved, because they're a minor, and when the chalking charges are there, police prasashan hai. So we give it to them that please resolve this. It's a minor things,
Right.
so they resolve it, or either they come to some kind of consensus on that.
Right.
So they are resolved. But if there is something which they need to inquire, they want to know the facts, then these are referred to the other concerned areas.
And now, at last, what is your suggestions, whether it is regarding the domestic violence or it is regarding the living relations? So what are your suggestions to the public?
Public has got very, either there are egos which are clashing, and that is how the domestic violence takes place, or they have a lack of time. I suggest all the family members, like we used to do it in the olden times, the entire family will get together and resolve the issues.
Right.
And this is what it is. And secondly, spend time with your family. As far as the girls are concerned, I would say take your liberty, enjoy your liberty which has been given to you, of education, of career, of everything what you want to do. But be responsible. If you have the rights, you have the responsibility also.
Right.
We have a lot of girls who are on a very, very responsible jobs. They are looking after country's defense also. This is the liberty given. If you think that no, we have the liberty but we have no responsibility, then everything goes wrong.
Right.
So my message to the girls is definitely enjoy your life, enjoy your liberty, but remember the responsibilities.
Thank you.
Thank
you so much. Thank you for giving your valuable time. So she was Raj Lali Gill, Chairperson, Women Commission. And you are watching The Swera. Stay tuned to us for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.